G'day again. So we're back in the lab. Where's Buddy? Oh, there he is. We've got our maths in VR with Dr. E, and we're going to continue on with the line. Now I've put up two lines there. Y equals a half x plus 1 and y equals 2 minus x. I've put up two tables, and we've got our graph for our Cartesian plane. So we're going to go from formula to the table to the Cartesian plane. Okay, so when we do that, we'll just get a bit closer. We'll do the black one first. Y equals a half x plus 1. So each one of these is going to go in the place of the x. So that is going to go there. So a half of minus 2, or what's half of minus 2? Minus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So that's our first point. Minus 2, 0. So I'm going to put it on here. So minus 2 is the x value, and the y value is 0. So it's going to go there. Next, we're going to put in the 0, where that x value is. A half of 0, or half of nothing is nothing. So half of nothing plus 1 is just nothing plus 1 is 1. So we're going to go, that's x, which is 0, and y is 1. So put a dot. Now we're going to put 2 in. Half of 2, well, what's half of 2? 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2, 2. So we're going to go to 2 there, 2 there, put a dot. And you can see the way this line is going to go. Put in 4 into there. Half of 4 plus 1, or half of 4 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So there's 4, there's 3, put that dot about there, and there we go. There's our straight line. Now, okay, here we go. See if we can get through as many dots as we can. Not very straight, pretty close. You get the idea. There's the line represented by that equation. So we've gone from formula to the table to the Cartesian plane. Not very straight, but you get the idea. So let's do a second one and see what happens. We've got y equals 2 minus x. Again, we're going to put each of these into the x value. So now we're going to go 2 minus 2. So for this one, I'm just going to write it out for you. 2 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 2. We've got two minuses together, makes a plus. So minus minus is a plus. 2 plus 2 is 4. So now we've got minus 2 and 4. So I've got minus 2, and there's 4 up there. So we want to put a dot up there. X first, figure out your x value, then your y value, and then join your fingers together. Next one, we're going to put 0 in. Well, this will be a bit easier, so I'll just rub out the 2 minus 2. 2 minuses make a plus, remember that. I'm going to put in the 0. 2 minus 0. Well, what is 2 minus 0? Pretty easy. 2. Alright, 2 take away 0. 2. So our points are x is 0 and y is 2. X is 0 and y is 2. Next one, we're going to put in 2. And again, this one will be very easy. What is 2 take away 2? 0. So now we've got 2, 0. X is 2, y is 0. So x is 2, y is 0, and they join together just there. You can see the way this line is going to go. We're going to put in 4 in there. 2 take away 4, or what is 2 take away 4? Minus 2. So if you're looking at that, whoops, 2 minus 4. 2 take away 4, we're going negative. So that's going to equal minus 2. So we've got 4 minus 2. This is the x value. So 4 and minus 2. And we've got a dot down there. And this line, here we go again. Drawing in VR without a ruler. It's not that simple. But there we go. There's our green line going down there. Each time we've put it in there, we'll rub out that equation. I'll step back a bit so you can see it. And there it is. You can see we've put in the first one, y equals a half x plus 1, one at a time. We get the black line. And then we've put in, whoa, we've put in the green line, y equals 2 minus x, and we get the green line. Okay, and that'll probably be the next step that you do in the development of you learning about lines, is to get multiple lines and putting them onto a graph. Okay, that's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Stay safe. Where are you, buddy? There you go. Okay, I'll see you later.